So this is the second video of Travel to Japan series, and in this video we will cover topics like basic introduction and how to ask for directions. Okay, now coming to the first greeting or first introduction sentence, which is generally spoken. It is what is your name. So how to say it in Japanese? So what is your name in Japanese will be Omae wa nan desu ka? Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Now, if you want to say that my name is Dash, or suppose you want to say that my name is Sam, you will say Watashi no namae wa Sam desu. Okay, so you will say Watashi no namae wa Sam desu, and to ask for someone else's name, you will say O namae wa nan desu ka. I hope it is clear to you, and you have understood how to ask for another person's name and how to tell your name in Japanese. Okay, now moving to the next sentence. It is basically that if you want to if you want to ask for help from someone, how to say it in Japanese. So it is like quite common if you are going to a foreign country and you are in trouble and you want someone to help you. So how to ask for help, you will say tasu kate hain moraimasu ka, tasu kate hain moraimasu ka. So tasu kete is basically help, and moraimasu ka is can I receive, can I get. So can you help me? It is the literal meaning of this sentence. Now moving to the next sentence. Now suppose if you helped someone and now you want to say you are welcome. Okay, so if someone is thanking you, how will they thank you in Japanese? They will say arigato or arigato gozaimasu. We covered it in last video. Now if you want to say that you are welcome, okay, how will you say it in Japanese? You will say do itashimashite, do itashimashite. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So how to say you are welcome and how to ask for help. Now there is one more thing which you need to keep in mind. So what happens basically, Japanese people, before having some meal, they thank God or they say let's eat. So what is that phrase? Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu is a phrase which is said by Japanese people every time before they have a meal. And after having a meal, what do they say? They say thank you for the food, right? Or they say that it was a good meal. They say gochiso sama deshita, gochiso sama deshita. So suppose if you are in a client meeting and you are having like meal with your clients, if you will use these two words, itadakimasu and gochiso sama deshita, it will really create a good impact on them, that you are aware of these basic Japanese words. Now moving to the next sentence. Suppose if you want to ask for direction, if you want to say that I want to go to this particular place, maybe bank. So what is bank in Japanese? Bank in Japanese is ginko. If you want to say I want to go to the bank, you will say ginko ni ikitai desu. So ginko is bank, ni ikitai desu means I want to go here. So bank is like is the word which can be changed with any other word. So suppose if you want to say that I want to go to Shinjuku station, you will say Shinjuku eki ni ikitai desu. Okay, so Shinjuku eki stands for the station, and nikitai desu means I want to go. Okay, now if you want to ask where is bank, okay, or where is this station, so you will say ginko is bank wa doko desu ka, where is bank. Or if you want to say that where is the Shinjuku station, you will say Shinjuku eki wa doko desu ka, where is the Shinjuku station. Next, if you want to ask, if someone said that bank is at this place, so if you want to ask is it near, you will say chikai desu ka. If you want to ask is it far, you will ask toi desu ka. I hope it is clear to you and you have understood how to ask for direction. We will understand in the next video how to understand the directions which are being given to us by some other Japanese person. Now moving to next phrases which are important for us. If we will be aware of these phrases, it will be really helpful for us. So suppose if you want to ask where is the bus stop, so what is bus stop in Japanese? Bus stop in Japanese is basu tei. If you want to ask where is the train station, you will say densha no eki. Okay, if you want to ask where is taxi stand, you will say takushi noriba. Takushi is taxi, noriba is the place from where you get into the taxi, or the place where there are taxis. Now if you want to ask where is the exit, exit in Japanese is deguchi. Okay, so if you want to ask where is exit, you will ask deguchi wa doko desu ka. And what about entrance? What it is called in Japanese? Iriguchi. So entrance in Japanese is called iriguchi. And suppose if you want to ask for the washroom, it is called toire. The washroom is called toire. So if you want to ask where is the washroom, you will ask toire wa doko desu ka, or toire ni ikitai desu. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. and you have understood. In the next video we will cover how to receive direction and how to understand more basic phrases.